Okay, let's come over and look at GC next. So GC, we were looking for that last push up while we were over support. So here's the support zone. We hit it on the nose, and here's our push up. We've hit 1242.7 on the nose this morning and started to come off. If I look at take it down to a smaller time frame, it looks to me like we haven't yet completed this move. So off the 4, I think we've got a 1, 2. This was a 3. We hit a 1618 on the nose. We should pull back and hold between 1232 and 1235, and then see one last push up to 1248 to finish this off before we come lower. If we take out, in actual fact it's here, if we take out 1235 actually is the level that needs to hold. If we take out 1233 or so, then it becomes likely that we have seen the top in GC and that we are in the 5th down finally in the metals and miners to a new low. If we substantially start to trade above 1248, then we need to consider whether the bottom is actually in the metals and look for 5 up, 3 back in order to get on board to the long side. But we're not there yet. And it doesn't look to me like we're going to get there. I think we're going to get a 4-5 and done in GC next.